What's up guys, Keysy back with another video, and today you already know what we're talking about. This week's Supreme drop list and their collaboration with Lacoste is, as we know, every year they always do a collab with the main brands like Champion, Lacoste, Playboy, and all the other brands that they do every year. And this week is the Lacoste collaboration. I think it's actually pretty dope. So we'll probably be talking about that at the end of the video. So yeah, let's just get straight into the drop list and let's get this video out of here because I do gotta go to work soon. So let's do it. Alright, right here on Supreme Community. And let's go all the way down to probably one of, and if not the worst item of this week, and probably all season of Supreme, is this heavyweight flannel shirt. Just why? Why these colors? These are absolutely hideous and horrendous. Like, these just colors do not go with each other. It's literally ridiculous why they chose these colors. Like, why blue and brown, and then there's green and pink, and then there's red and yellow. Like, you can literally find better flannels at the thrift store, and especially the price of this is gonna be $128. That's dead for a flannel that's this ugly. You could just find a better one at the thrift store, so don't even waste your time. Alright, then we got the zigzag beanie right here. You got it in a purple, yellow, green, gray, and orange. This says, it just has a Supreme little badge right there. These are gonna fit like absolute buns, cakes, ass, whatever you wanted to call it, but they're just gonna fit not the best because they're not loose gauge, and these are just not loose gauge, so they're not gonna fit that well. That's passed this week. Then you have this heavy jacquard top right here with these designs. I'm not really sure what they are, but you have this in the blue and the yellow, but it has power right there, and I'm not really sure. It looks like a roller coaster. I'm not really sure what to make of these little designs, but I personally do not like it, and this is just gonna be another pass this week. Then you have this workers shirt right here. You have God's Favorite on the back, and then you have Supreme on the front left chest right there. These aren't really anything special. They always make these kinds of shirts every year, and every season. And this isn't anything different than they've made before. It just has God's Favorite on it, and I just think it's kind of basic and black. Then you have this drama shirt right here. I don't like it. I wish they would have done something better. With the ARC logo, they always do it all. They do it all the time. So with them, and I don't get tired of it. I've heard a lot of people saying it's getting overused, but I just honestly think like it's a really nice design, but for them to have drama on it, it just makes literally no sense, and it's just like I feel like they got lazy on their part with this one. Then you have this camo corduroy cap right here. You have in this like blue camo, this like regular camo right here, and this black. That blue one, well, all these actually look pretty dope, and if those hats like fit right on my head, I would get them. It's corduroy, so I really like that material, and with these hats and these designs, I actually like these, and I do think these are probably gonna sell out really quick, especially that camo one. And I might just have to cop one just to resell, or I'll probably get that black one just for the personal. Then you have this cop car hoodie right here. I actually did like this design when I first saw it, so I think they did it on Varsity Jacket, or they're gonna do it, but yeah, it's right here, Supreme. This says Supreme on it, and it's a New York police cop car going either really fast or it's just being set on fire. But either way, I actually do like that design a lot. They have it in a brown, then have it in a green, a gray, a navy, a black, and that burgundy colorway. My favorite one is probably gonna be that light green one, just because it's the different color than all the other ones. All the colors are different from each other, but it's just a color they don't usually do, so I actually like that one a lot. But let's get right into the Lacoste right here. The first piece that is utter garbage, trash, that's gonna make you look like a referee. You can ref any soccer game, football game, hockey game. They're gonna mistake you as a ref if you wear this out there. You have it right here in this blue burgundy, and this referee one right here, which is with the little Lacoste alligator right there on the left chest. Then you have Supreme on the left wrist area right there. I personally do not like that, and that's gonna be a pass for me. Then we have the Supreme PK pants right here. Nothing crazy, just have that red stripe right there by the ankles. Have it in the pink, navy blue, green, and the black. These aren't anything crazy, but I do actually like it personally. Then probably my most favorite item of this week is gonna be these puffy half zip pullovers. Right here you have it in the black, the red and white, the yellow, and I don't know what color that is, but then my favorite one is this baby blue and white. Just the way they executed this, and with that front pocket right there that says Supreme right right there, this is just a well executed piece that they did this week, and it is my favorite one. So then you have these small messenger bags. I actually think these are pretty dope, to be honest. You know, I don't wear bags like this, but if I were to, I'd get one of these. I have it in a black, a green, a navy blue, and red, and then this brown one right here, or yellow. But yeah, I actually do like that accessory. Then you have these beanies right here. I like these beanies a lot just because of the colors, but they're not loose gauge, so they're gonna feel like buns. Having the same colorways right here, black, that brown, the tannish one, the red, green, white, and that baby blue. Then we have this. Then we have the Lacoste logo shorts right here. You have Lacoste and Supreme on your left thigh right there, thigh high, having the black, tan, red, navy blue, and baby blue. I really love the way they executed this collaboration this week, just because it's just minor details that they did to it, like having Supreme laid over the Lacoste. I don't know, but I really like that a lot. Then you have this Supreme bomber jacket right here. You're gonna have it in the black, red, I don't know what color that is, to be honest, and then that tan one. I actually like these a lot, and with the winter coming, and we all know it's gonna be damn freezing outside, we all know these are gonna keep you pretty warm. Then you have the Lacoste right there on the back with the Supreme right above it. This is just a really dope piece overall. Then you have these 6-panel hats, make it like a golfer out here, with a zipper right on the right side of your head, depending which way you wear it. Black, green, navy blue, and pink. That pink one is so fire. Just the pink that they chose for it is just so damn fire, and I love it a lot. And then last but not least, then you got the Supreme logo pullover hoodie. Right here you got it in this black, this tan, this red, navy blue, and baby blue with the Lacoste all over your chest and mid-range, I would say, and Supreme right over that. Just like the shorts that we saw earlier, these, I do like these a lot. I do feel like they were a little bit lazy with this though, but either way, I like it a lot. So, and I think that's gonna be it for this week. So this is one of my favorite weeks of this season so far. We are only in week 5 as of now, but you know, we still got more heat to come. So if you guys do want to see more videos of me going over the drop list of this week of Supreme, make sure to smash that like button, comment down below what's your favorite item of this week, and make sure to subscribe and hit that bell to get notified when we'll probably be going. So we'll probably be talking about that. Whoa, why you let that on X?